For you see Rosealee, you see Wobewaka. You can't see the devil in her.
No blood clot out of me at 13-year-old. I'm gonna munch 2.5 years blood clot now. Who after I'm still gonna tell blood clot like on you? Oh. I'm gonna walk and mind them.
I'm telling you something. I don't know, everybody different. I rather love my pitney them from the heart. Alright. May I tell you why Rosealee kids and we grow up finna like her? You ever watch some Lifetime show?
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete. If minute upon the beat, and as you can see upon the screen, TikToker Rosealee finally crashes out over her baby daddy after him fly out to one next part and one next part. And I take trainings from Ivany. Put in the comment section where you think about Miss Sensation saying, you know, Ivany is saying Rosealee, you know, we basically put man over a pitney. And I'll be a bag of things because Jake said that talk about, oh, you know, him did feel emotional when she that styled him. You know what I mean? I know she got up on her life and I said, you know, she use Akeem for get rid of Jakes. And all type of bagger. You see, man, I said that don't make no sense. You see, man, I say my people. So, yeah. As you can see, we are doing the good work. I'm putting up the mix-up. So, enough to do on the part. I follow me all over. You see, man, I said, cause that part over Incredible Boss part. You see, man, I said, no, we're gonna listen to Ivany. I reason note that thing, because if Rosealee don't want Jakes, what is really the issue, you see me?
Kids them come back and she no show no type of love. Say the kids them come back. She and Akeem vex what day, and as soon as she and Akeem talk back, tell me if I blind, me blind. I want picture this behind her with she and Akeem. I want picture this, me turn. I want picture this with Rosealee and Akeem run at the back. In a car. And you could put up Shantu and Baby with up run on your back and Drake put up film pitting them every day for green screen. This is the true definition of a woman love blood clot man more than a pitney them. And you can't argue with no girl about pitney and love man. All you see me and Kiki, I say it's the internet, all I with troll the internet. People do what them do for money. Me skin out, me troll Kiki, troll Drake's troll. Remember them did have them series them before them get real. Everybody do a look of trolling. But you take series to a or you rather Akeem. If them figure Rosealee a gun in her hand and say kill your 2 kids them and save Akeem, or kill Akeem and save your 2 kids them, you kill Bebito and Shantu for Akeem. You would take that gun and shoot your 2 pitney them just for stay with Akeem. That for show you how bad you're gone. You don't even say make you put up your, not even for fake it, you can't fake it. For put up your pitney them in your back screen, you rather put up Akeem. You know what gonna be a karma? Akeem. And a Drake's like gonna be a karma, you know. And a me gonna be a karma, and a Kiki gonna be a karma. All the way where you cuss off. And we are gonna be a karma, you know. You know what gonna be a karma? Akeem. Mr. Saintback, how are you? Akeem gonna be a karma. You see the diss where Akeem gonna diss you and left you. Don't be surprised you hurt and in yourself. Cause you fool them the way there. And him now if he hurt you in a one way like cuss you off or even touch you physically. The fact same just now gonna look back on you and nobody can tell me say me I wait for that moment because with fear dirty lifestyle and the how she stay, nobody not really stay around she long. I used to love the energy the way she put in a Akeem, what Akeem not put in a she, Akeem just put in a series for get money. It's just like how we I use Drake's for clothes, yeah, I use Akeem, I use you for get money. What day you all of them stop deal with you and you stop deal with them. Money slow down, them have to draw back for you. Cause at the end of the day, them a earn too. And if me see when me I get a look at earnings, me nah left it, me I stay there to the ground when me walk on. Me not wrong them neither, you know. But your karma gonna be Akeem. You always want to cuss people when people tell you the truth, girl. Cause me never dare cuss you with Drake. The only thing me say is Drake's. And that She don't want nobody to tell Drake the good. Alright. Me tell Drake say don't answer Drake cause that she want for people look down upon you like a bad person. Like come like me mash up her plan now, you know. Cause she didn't want Drake for answer, you know, class her, you know. So she can come out. Guys, catch his speed. She didn't want Drake for class her, you know. She didn't want guys catch his speed. She didn't want Drake for bring her down, you know. She didn't want Drake to say the worst thing about her so people can in the comment section can say, yeah, the real Drake's come out now. Or so that people can start talk things about the man. You didn't want the man body bash. You didn't want the man talk about your front. You want the man talk about your body. You want the man forget out them character and class, yo. So yeah, cause people on TikTok easily manipulate. So you did want people for screen record it and post it so them can say your local minions, them can run in the comment and say, you see all my class the girl, look how I do the in baby mother. You did want people for overthink and for cancel Drake. And that your work pan. You force it for people cancel the man. When you say you could cancel him one day, you run for go friend him. And you say you could get no friend from him. You talk boy you want fuck him. The man never fall for the fuck trap. Now you start class him again, him still not fall feet. And him have good people in that corner we can tell him say, do not fall for the trap where Rosealee while you're going and don't answer. That coming like me mash up your plan there so you'd have to click like for me. And not have to show you so you block me but you still a watch me. Be real guys. We and Drake's not literally just come off our live. How screen recording post that so fast to have so much views and tag Rosealee if she see that the video they go up. She dip on the screen and watch on fake page. And you see Drake's and Kiki a play if she a watch on fake page. And you see me and him a page, she a watch on fake page. She have a fake page a watch. She have a page I watch. Me not say screen recording them not so fast. But so much people for see it so fast. For tag you and share it to you. You're up on a screen page and you watch the man clicky clock. You want to know why because you want to see how much money I make. You want to see who I give him. As soon as he near for reach #1, there comes you running for come play a match. You could click live so fast for me without even this yo. The man come out on TikTok, the man say him nah this yo. You click for your live, you diss the man. The man just say him nah this yo. And you diss the man. So through me tell the man say, don't make Rosealee break your out of character. No because fear art black, you for make your art black. She want you to cuss you so people can cancel you and look upon you different. Yes, you can tell for your side a story, but as to cussing her, telling about her body parts, don't fall for your trap. That wasn't a bad thing when me tell him. I know me never diss she, you know. Never diss her. Just tell him man say don't fall feet. Hear her over there class me.
I'm just for my blood clot money. Someone could have bad night about borrow my things. When I know I have it. When I know baby my blood clot food. When I know I live now. When I know I have the bed. To make it make sense. What the fuck just have me bad mind him for exactly? The house them two over make it care further. You run for a blood clot book 5 to get one up. Go fix your house. You're so gonna sleep out there is a croft.
But fair
about blood clot in the house is a thief.
Fair house want fix too.
And the house not further in a care.
Shantu and Bebu to want money and she fly out. She fly out things to Akeem. She fly out things Akeem and request to play a match. Are you forced up in yourself and bring fuck argument to the man and in our meds you? No, the man fly out something like what you did and got Panama. And Drake's never said nothing when you fly out. The man not even try to throw shit by you. Why are you so upset? And you can't say because me and Drake have a little conversation a while ago and me tell him say don't answer you. You've been up on the man name for days and days. Why are you so upset with this man? Why? Rosealee, you have your platform. Drake's a theme platform. You are doing a series with Akeem. Drake's are the series with me and Kiki. Oh, I wouldn't not even consider this as a series because we're not putting nothing together. I'm not asking Rosealee if Drake's for make up his mind and say want to do a series with him, me and him and Kiki. One WhatsApp call and we done the internet. If Drake's and Kiki really decide to say a series and the three we go up on a 3-way call for plan something for the internet, Rosealee will swipe with your foot. Cause you don't know if you entertain a blood clot people. More than if you come on the screen and cuss and class people. You don't have enough of my entertainment, boy. Why are you upset? You do fear thing with Akeem. You know, I make millions of money over there. Nobody now watching the money. Cause everybody have them platform. Everybody make for them make up. Drakes come now and Drakes I get fame look shares. Are you that upset, girl? You too bad mind. Are you alone for make money on TikTok? Are you alone for make money on TikTok? Are you alone for have one little group? Drake's not for company app can have one group. Kiki not for company app can have one little team. Drake's and Kiki not for have one little one person where can send them one little galaxy, one little universe, one little lion and make them feel nice like how people give. So the same way how people give me and you and we have a big audience. Them not for come make a name for themselves. Are you alone for the series with Akeem them? Drake's and Kiki not for dress up the hell shago the series. Drake's not for dep on live with me. And go on like where they forget look money too. The same way you look money, I same way Drake's look money, you know. Everybody depend you for a reason. Why are you this upset with the man? Why you so upset? Me telling you say I'm money make Rosealee vex. And we seen it. She did vex with Triple when Jaden did get Triple the gift them. She did vex with Fabi at one point when she and Fabi used to battle. And she did vex with Jaden enough time when Jaden I get gift. And TJ them too. Me and Rosealee used to be friends and play with Rosealee, and if me can't put up 5,000 points, she gone. She play one match and she make me know say, hey, me gone from your son, and me not stay, and me not get nothing. And not true she get nothing, not true me not put up no points, so she can't put up enough points. She gone left me. You see there when me start put up little kinds, and then true me I put up fair people, I put up she stay and she will play all 100 game with you. But make you can't put up no points like what she a put up for make fair people then go harder. She not play with you so she stay. Are you alone for make money? She want be the person who ever depend number one. And Drake's for the number 2 or go down pan the bubble. That's why she want be the breadwinner of the house, because she just always want to receive. You know, so the day Drake's come pan live, she ball out, Drake's over here. But boy then tell her say, the man and the woman them want to sleep with her on the enemy and want to believe. Because I just still can't understand why Rosealee is this upset if the man on TikTok get support. And she's trying her best so much for manipulate the people them like, oh, because them have them relationship problem and kids problem. It's nothing about no problem. A blood clot money, a Drake, a mad Rosealee. Money. Because me a guy Drake's a while I got tell him, don't answer. For true, guys. I don't think he's supposed to answer. Because you only go make a fool of yourself. And the same gift of them will give you have to be careful of what you say on TikTok. You have to be careful of what you say on TikTok. They will try to cancel you. Then try to cancel me one time, you know. One time one girl come by and I remember who and me did the argue. And she go tell me about, oh, remember say you sell pussy for your living, da. And me turn back to she and say, remember say you clean shit for your living. And she specifically me a cuss. Say she's a shit cleaner, you know. And the whole TikTok take it up on them head. Like me did I call them shit cleaner. And them the whole of them run with what me did say. And I say, at the same shit cleaner, them give you money and you turn around at this shit cleaner. I never disrespect everybody we do no from a nurse job or whatever. Me I talk about a specific person will tell me what me do for make money and me tell back she what she do. And everybody run and circulate that video for make it look like me that talk about everybody just because they want to cancel me. So it me I try to tell Drakes now say if you go call her some name and the gift them I watch it back and she say yeah this or them all look on it and say so you did stay. She try set you up for your class so people can look on you because them I say a man to a woman. I saw your class the woman. As much as our girl class a man, it now go look nowhere because everybody look on it like a female, that female cause. But for a male, a style a female certain way, it now look good. She know what she do. She try so much things that she can't get you out. She know say you soon get tired where you go bust it out. And that she want. Notice how you did that. Notice how Drake did the answer from morning. Oh, she never click live same time. Cause she give him time for express himself. She never click her live, you know. But as soon as me intervene now and say, Drake's don't answer. You come like say me I try stop her mission now. She could even wait till midnight. She over there class me. For you see Rosealee, you see Wobby Walker. You can't see the devil in her.
No blood clot out of me at 13-year-old. I'm now munch 2.5 years blood clot now. Who after me so long I tell blood clot like on you? Oh. I mean what can mind them?
I'm telling you something. I don't know, everybody different. I rather love my pitney them from the heart. Alright. May I tell you why Rosealee kids and we grow up in a like her. You ever watch some Lifetime show up on TV? I have two parents. You have the mother and the father. The mother rich, you know. The mother rich. And the mother give the pitney them anything they want, but she never have time for them yet. She don't carry them go school. She don't carry them go out for have fun. She don't cook for them. She don't take care of them. She just give them anything where they want. Give them money, give them tie, and she just gone. She never really have no time for do their homework. She don't have no time for go at them basketball games. She don't have no time. She just give them money, give them what they want and gone. And then we have the father now. We're poor, and don't have it. But guess what? In can't put them go to school. In we dead for them, in cook for them, bathe them and change them. They in the yard with them, play with them. And them the blood clot pitney love. Cause how much more you can get the pitney them, then don't get everything where they want, but no love, you not show them no love. They don't want you to love them, they want you to bring them to school. They want you to play with them. They want you to book places and go to have fun with them. You not do that. So they look upon you like you not have time for them, you not love them, you not spend no quality time with them. They love their father more. Cause as much as how the father not have it, the father love them and spend quality time with them. When the pitney them grow up now and get for eat you know what y'all gonna say? And the father influence them for eat you. When you're just not doing your job, Shantu and Baby Youth are two grown people, grown kids when know right from wrong. You think then as you say it's all about Akeem? A Jamaican pitney them to their sense. You think then as you say Akeem your love go to? You think then as see it? You pitney them get taken from CPS and you don't have them no more. Look what in your background. I should have Shantu and Baby Youth there around there, so look who in your background in a frame. You and Akeem in a frame. You're very delusional, girl. If Akeem go live now, Rosealee in her background, I couldn't believe when I see a picture. Akeem in your picture. If Akeem go live now, you're in the background. You have no type of picture around the back there. I never know me that live for this one. I always see them suck me in, but I see it in a show. I never really see it in a reality or think me that live for see a TikTok behave like this. I always think a show where people just, put on. Me never know some that actually live for see somebody love man more than them pitney.
Team Rosealee, una have to do a better job, you know. Una have to do a better job, you see me. But do the right thing and follow me, like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to notify when I drop the latest. Please.